Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So it is in the wee hours of Sunday, January the 21st, and we have a $1.82 Scott's paper towel over at Walgreens. This is an unheard of price. I believe they are clearing this out, getting it off the shelf. They're probably going to change the packaging around or maybe not carry it anymore at Walgreens. I don't know the story, but let's move on this deal. What I am going to recommend is for you to do it as a curbside deal because I think some couponers are probably going to go in the store first thing and just clear it out. It's $3.49 and there's 4 different digital coupons that I had on one account that's attaching to said product. And many of you sent me messages on Saturday night saying, hey, this is orange tagged at my store for $3.49. So if you live near your Walgreens and you just want to drive out right away at 9 o'clock whenever they open, you have that option to do that. But for a lot of us, curbside pickup is the smarter way to go. And with the curbside pickup, you are hitting that button on the left hand side with the red check, ordering this stuff through a cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, whatever, driving to the store and getting it. So for deal number one, at this one store, I could put 4 into a cart. I know some stores you can only put 3, but I put 4 of them for $13.96, and then one Dawn dish soap. I know a lot of you love the Dawn dish soap, so I just threw one in just for fun. So I'm just going to show you some of the digitals. I had a 2 off a 2, and then I had $2 coupons as well. I've been loading them for the last couple of weeks. And then I had the 75 cent for the Dawn Easy Squeeze, also loaded that. So looking at this, I used the code FRIENDS20 for an extra $2.65 off. All of my Scott coupons and the Dawn coupon coming off as well. The other account I had, because I have like mine and my husband's, I couldn't use Friends20 on the second account, so I don't know why, but when I could, when I couldn't. So just be mindful of that, guys. I don't understand this, and this is also like 5 a.m. couponing. Not everything's making a lot of sense. So looking at my overall cart, gosh, I hope you're laughing. It's $17.95, Friends20, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $4.75 in digitals coming off. So my new total is $11.47. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.47. That's what your Walgreens cash is for. I mean, it shaked out to $1.82 for this cart for me, which is a really fantastic price point for Scott's paper towel. And I have the feeling that because this specific product wasn't BOGO 50% off this month, they're doing something with it. I don't know what. A discontinued product, obviously. Are they going to change the packaging? We don't know, but definitely like get these savings because they're terrific. The next deal that I did was, some of you are probably don't care about Dawn dish soap, so we're just going to look at an alternative deal. This is to grab one of the sales price M&Ms and then 3 of the Scott. Now, I know that a lot of you, the max you can put into your cart is 3, so 3 is $10.47. So just looking at this, $13.96 free curbside pickup, 63 cents in tax, and I had a 2 off a 2 for the Scott and $1 off. Sorry, I didn't show those digital coupons. For this one, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it, and pay $1.59 and call this a really good deal. You have 3 things of paper towel and then a big thing of like Valentine's M&Ms, a very good one. Final deal that I have for you is deal number 3, and if you have no digital coupons and no Friends20 coupon code, just throw 3 of these into a basket for $10.47, and you already know what I'm thinking. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 47 cents and call this a very good deal. Now, I just have the sneakiest suspicion, because paper towel is one of those elusive things we haven't gotten great deals for. I think this is going to get cleared out very, very quickly once it hits a bigger blog or it's all over other social media apps. So if you are a loyal follower here, get your order in right away, and then hopefully, fingers and toes crossed, when employees start showing up 6, 7 a.m. before their shift, they're going to start fulfilling these online orders before they open the door, because like a couponer with a couple of baskets and an idea, they can probably clear it out, especially if they have a lot of Walgreens cash. So make those deals happen. And again, I saw the orange stickers for this in store, and then it's also curbside the same price at $3.49. Good luck, my friends.